Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your guide to exploring the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today's word is amid, a C1 level preposition that means surrounded by or in the middle of. It's a versatile and elegant word that can add depth and clarity to your sentences. Let's dive into how we can use amid in everyday language. Imagine you're describing a peaceful moment in a forest. She stood amid the tall trees, enjoying the sound of birdsong. Here, amid highlights that she's surrounded by the trees. Another example might be, the company thrived amid the challenges of a competitive market, where amid conveys being in the midst of difficulties. Some synonyms for amid include among, in the midst of, and surrounded by. For instance, instead of saying, he walked amid the crowd, you could say, he walked among the crowd, or he walked in the midst of the crowd. Each conveys a similar idea, but amid adds a slightly more formal or poetic tone. On the other hand, antonyms for amid might include outside or away from. For example, if someone is not surrounded by challenges, you could say, the team worked effectively outside the chaos, or she stayed away from the noisy celebration. You'll often hear amid in news reports or formal writing, such as, amid growing concerns about the economy, the government announced new policies. In daily conversation, you might say, amid all the excitement, I forgot to bring my camera. It's also useful when talking about emotions or experiences, like, he remained calm amid the confusion. Here are a few more examples to inspire you. The cabin sat quietly amid the snow-covered hills. Amid the laughter and joy, she felt a sense of belonging, and they continued to work hard amid the uncertainty of the project. That wraps up today's exploration of the word amid. Remember, learning new words and practicing their use helps you become more confident and expressive in English. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps more language learners discover the show. I'd love for you to create your own sentence using amid and share it in the comments. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.